My client had brought me this 360 wig to install on her. She got a lot of hair, so we had to make sure them braids are small as hell. And when you do your 360 wig, make sure you do the cap around the whole head so it can look like scalp all around, just not in the front. But no, I was confused as hell trying to put this wig on. I don't know if I was putting the back of the front or the front and the back. I don't know, but I ended up figuring it out eventually. But I'm finna start plucking the wig though. Pluck is my favorite part. Sometimes. Some of these Amazon wigs gonna give me arthritis for real with plucking. But this one was like decent, I ain't gonna lie. I use my clippers to shape her up in the back because it was just too much hair back there to lay on her neck. I know she probably like, what the hell is he doing back there, bro? I ain't gonna lie. Just doing this shit, I don't see how y'all females be going through this because this is just too much. Like, this is just too much by even doing it. But hey, good luck to y'all. Beauty is pain. But as y'all see, before I even cut the laces, already giving scalp G. Comment and scalp before I learn my plucking method because I'm telling you, it's worth it as hell. Like, this shit coming out her scalp. I was happy as hell she ain't asked for no damn pinup because that shit get on my nerves, that damn pinup. But the Barbie ponytail came out fire as hell. Chef kiss for real. Go ahead and book the look. Now gonna y'all, your shit is gonna be bumpy. You have a lot of hair if you're trying to get 360. I recommend double front of ponytail. But either way, your shit's still gonna be cute. But go ahead and book the look again.